Hey, what's up? Anthony Morrison here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can build an extremely profitable Facebook fan page for completely free. Listen, the first thing you've got to do is What's up? What's up? Okay, so the first thing that you've got to do in order to build a Facebook fan page that's going to be massively profitable for you without spending a single penny on any kind of advertising, no ads, none of that stuff. The first thing you got to do is define your niche. Like, what audience are you going after, right? Like, what is it that you want to promote? What type of people do you want to attract, right? Now, you may be sitting there thinking, oh my gosh, I don't know. I don't have a niche. Perfectly fine. That's okay. Not a big deal, because guess what? It works in almost every niche. In fact, for me, I did this in the travel industry. So I did it with a really obscure little place called Destin, Florida. In fact, let's go to my computer. I'll show you what it looks like. So check this out. This is my Facebook fan page, okay? Now, my Facebook fan page here has well over, let's see, what are we at as of today? 700,000 followers and 706,000 people that actually like my fan page. Now, the cool part about this is I got all of these fans completely free, no ads. Cost me absolutely no money for advertising. Now, you might sit there and say to yourself, okay, Anthony, but why in the world do I care about Destin, Florida? What is that? Well, here's the thing. That's a popular vacation spot. The cool part about this is you can use this strategy to profit and to build your audience and your reach in any industry and in any niche. So for me, it was the travel industry. That means it's not like I had some unfair advantage. I wasn't doing it in an industry where I was a brand or anything like that. I did it in something completely obscure. My name isn't even attached to it at all. Now, what you have to do with this is you have to find and figure out what the right type of giveaway is in order to really get people excited. So what we're going to do is we'll go back to my computer now, and let me just kind of draw this out for you. So back on my computer. All right, so check this out. The method that we use here is basically a fan page giveaway method, okay? And this is how it works. The first thing that we have to do is define our niche, right? So doesn't matter what industry you're in, doesn't matter what industry you want to be in. In fact, like we've taught you throughout some of our videos here, completely free videos, by the way. So guess what? If you want to learn more about making money online and you want to learn all of the different ways that we do it, just click the subscribe button. We'll make sure to send you a video every single week teaching you exactly what we're doing. But back to the computer. Okay, so we want to define our niche, all right? Define our niche. Now, again, like I said, this can be found on ClickBank and any other affiliate network, or maybe you've got your own business, right? Maybe you've got your own business. Maybe you're a dentist. Maybe you're an attorney. Maybe you own a local business. Doesn't matter really what it is. This will work for anybody, right? So we define our niche. Then we want to determine, okay, our giveaway. Okay, now this is where people always fail, and this is where we're going to make it a huge success for you. Here's the thing. A lot of times people try to run these giveaways and these contests, and what they do is they say, hey, we're giving away a free gift card for $50. Big deal. Nobody cares. Move on to the next one. Sometimes people say, we're giving away a gift card for $150. Okay, big deal. How many of us truly have gift cards that have been given to us that we haven't used for years and years and years? I do. So we have to define something that has a bigger perceived value than it really is, right? Because people get excited about lots of money, big wins, like the lottery, for instance, right? But they don't really get excited about these small things. So here's what we did. We defined our giveaway as a free vacation in Destin, Florida. Well, when you think free vacation, you think of probably a lot of money. In fact, while you're watching this video, right below, there's a comment section. Tell me right now, how much do you think a vacation in Destin, Florida costs for 3 full days? So a 3-day vacation right on the beaches of Destin, Florida. How much does it cost? Put some comments in the box below. I read through all of these. And what you'll find is you'll probably see people saying thousands of dollars, right? $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, whatever the case may be. The perceived value, super high. But the reality is that you can actually give away a vacation in Destin, Florida for 3 full days for sometimes like as little as $400 or $500. Super, super low, right? So we define a giveaway that has a really high perceived value, even though it's not costing us that much money, okay? So that's step number 2. Back to the computer. Step number 3, okay? So step number 3 is very, very important. We want to post about the giveaway, okay, with rules, okay? And the rules are the important piece of the puzzle, okay? So here's how we do it. When we build a fan page, okay, so let's just say this is our fan page, okay? So we're going to say this is the fan page, and let's just say this is the post right here, all right? What we will usually do, and I'm just going to grab a different color. What we'll usually do is we'll do like step 1, do this. Step 2, do this. And then we'll say register here. Okay, now step 1 is usually to like our post, and step 2 is usually to share our post. And then we tell people to register by clicking a link. Now here's the cool thing. We don't require people to like and to share our post in order to win. In fact, oftentimes Facebook will say, hey, this is not something we approve of. You can't make people like and share and all these things. And they don't really love that, right? But here's what we do. We simply say, step 1, like our post. Step 2, share our post. And then we say, register for the giveaway here, right? That link is actually going to take them to what we call an opt-in page, where they literally just give us their email address. That's it. And from that email address, okay, we're able then to pick a winner. So we get a big list of email addresses, right? So we have tons and tons and tons of people that were on our fan page that are now on our email list. And guess what? We're building an email list, building an asset, and it's costing us absolutely no money. And here's where it gets really, really, really exciting, okay? So let's go back to the whiteboard. So what happens is we make this post, okay? And let's just say our fans see the post, okay? So these are our fans, all right? So our fans, they see this post, and they get really excited. So what do? They click right here on the like, and they click on the share button. So what happens is their friends see the post, okay? So their friends now see this post, all right? So their friends see the post. Well, what do? They go and they like and they share this post as well. And so then their friends see the post, right? And what happens is you create this friend-based referral traffic, okay? We call this friend-based referral traffic, okay? Friend-based referral traffic. And this is one of the best traffic methods and the best ways that you can ever generate traffic for your business or for any of the offers that you're promoting online ever. And I'll tell you exactly why. It's because anytime your friends suggest something to you, you look at it and you're like, oh my gosh, this is amazing, right? Like, I would love to do that. But when somebody else suggests it to you, you're like kind of standoffish. Think about if you were just going through like Best Buy right now and you were trying to buy a printer, okay? So you're going through Best Buy, you're like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna buy this awesome printer. And you walk down the aisle and you see this one, it's really cool, it's really awesome. And you ask the guy that works at Best Buy, is this a good printer? And he's like, yeah, this is awesome. You need this printer. The first thing that goes to your mind, especially if that printer is the most expensive printer, is I bet he's making money trying to sell me this printer. And so instantly you shut down, you have doubts, you think, I don't know if I really want that printer. Maybe it's not the best, right? Even though, unbeknownst to you, people at Best Buy don't even work on commission, right? But in your mind, you think that they do. But let's just say that you're walking through Best Buy and you see some other person, some random person, maybe one of your friends looking at one of these printers, and you're like, is that a good printer? And they say, yeah, this printer is awesome. I've been using this. I used this for my son's wedding or my wife's wedding, whatever, Like they start telling you a story about it and you're like really excited and your friend is using it, so you trust it, so you'll use it, right? Friend-based referral traffic, some of the best traffic that you can get. This particular method pushes all of these people to have their friends, okay, following you and liking your page because each other is doing it, right? That's what gets you the best quality traffic. Back to the whiteboard. I'll show you what ends up happening. Now, once people go and they do this register here button, okay? So once somebody registers here, what happens is we put them on our email list, okay? And that email list is where we send out promos, all right? This is where we make money. So this is where real money is made, okay? It's made from the emails. Again, we usually use affiliate stuff, okay? So we're usually promoting affiliate stuff right here. Now, you might be looking at this and saying, okay, Anthony, that's awesome, but $500 every time I want to do one of these giveaways, that's insane, that's crazy. How could we possibly afford to do that? That doesn't make any sense. You're right, I agree. Wouldn't make sense to do that all the time. But here's the cool part. The way that we've structured this and the way that we do it on our fan pages, real simple. We literally are able to make that post, never talk about when we're doing the giveaway, right? We never say the giveaway is happening on this day. We literally just make the post, okay? That's it. We make the post. And on the thank you page, after somebody actually opts in and registers for the giveaway, we say, hey, we're going to be giving away and announcing our winner on December 31st of this year, right? And what happens is you do one giveaway for the entire year, but you benefit for the entire year from being able to say that you're giving away a free vacation. This is what gets you massive, massive scale. We've generated over 700,000 Facebook fans, and in doing that, we were able to pull about 400,000 of those Facebook fans off of Facebook and onto our email list, generate thousands and thousands of dollars, and more recently, we were able to take this Facebook fan page and sell the assets of it. So the fan page, the email list, all the stuff that we built to a really big vacation listing company where we got equity in that company. So even if you're a beginner, Facebook fan pages, super, super simple. Anybody can set one up. Using this contest method, you're able to now build that fan page, generate revenue, build an email list at the same time. And hey, look, you could possibly make money on a consistent basis with it. You could even possibly sell it as a business. At the end of the day, everybody on the internet is looking for eyeballs. And if you've got 700,000 of those eyeballs on your fan page and you've got an additional 300,000 or 400,000 of them on your email list, you've got assets that are worth a lot of money. When I built my very first online business, my very first business on the internet, I tried to sell it. It was an affiliate marketing business, much like I'm talking to you about. I tried to sell that business, and the first thing that somebody asked me was, where's your customer database? I'm like, my what? My What? I don't have a customer database. I'm sending the customers other places. They weren't interested in buying it because I had no customer database. With this business, you build a customer database, plus you build these assets online, and you're able to push traffic and direct people to any type of affiliate program and earn a commission on the other end. Look, this is some of the basic strategies for building your Facebook fan page, building it completely free, never running any ads. And guess what? Most all of the time, in fact, every time I've done this, over the course of the year, I've made way more than the $500 that giveaway cost. So I've made way more than the $500 before I ever give the vacation away. So I've never spent any of my own money out of pocket to give away a vacation. It's very, very simple. If you like this method, leave me some comments below, ask any questions, and of course, read the description. There's many different ways that I can help you build your online business. You can connect with me on Instagram, connect with me on Facebook. And of course, we offer free courses at Morrison Education. We also have advanced courses. We have courses specifically on this fan page domination method where we can really show you step by step how to do this for yourself, for your business, and of course, to start making money on the internet. So check out some of those links. And hey, if you'd like to partner with me, there's a link below for that as well. Make sure that you subscribe to our channel so that each and every week as I'm delivering these awesome training videos, at least I think they're awesome anyway, to teach you and educate you completely free, you'll be notified for them. So subscribe, check out the links below, and thanks for watching this video.